Happy morning children. Welcome back to the 4th standard ICSE mathematics class. So last week we completed the second unit, addition and subtraction. Now today we are going to start a new unit, unit 3 multiplication in your book page number 41. So in that we are going to learn about the multiplication facts first, then we'll go to the exercise section. So first fact is when we are multiplying 7 with 1, we are going to get the 7. That is nothing but when we are multiplying the number with 1, we are going to get the same number. That is the first fact. Second one is when we are multiplying one number with 0, we are going to get the answer is 0 alone. So it may be any number, so smallest number or biggest number, no problem. When we are multiplying 0, we are going to get the answer is 0. Next thing, 3 multiply 5 equal to 5 multiply 3. See the children, the numbers here 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 3s are 15. So when we are changing the order also, we are going to get the same answer. Similarly, when we are taking 3 numbers or more numbers, next one is when we are changing the order of the number. See here 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So if I am taking 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15, 15 into 2 30. Next on the other hand we have 2 5s are 10, 10 into 3 30. When we are changing the order of the number multiplication, it is going to be the same. So next one is going to see the exercise 3.1 and 3.2. In that exercise we are going to see about the multiplication of a 3-digit number by 1-digit number and 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Before that you have to recall the tables 2 table to 12 table thoroughly children. Let us go to the exercise section.
We'll start the unit 3 multiplication with the warm-up section. See here children, one picture is given here. 3 balloons, they added 5 times. So totally we have 15 balloons. So 5 times 3 is 15 or 5 3s are 15. 5 and 3 are the factors. The answer what we are getting is the product. First A1 is choose the factor from the factor wheel and write below the product that are given in the multiplication train. First one is a 42. 42, choose the number from the wheel. 42 will come in the 6 table, no, 6 7s are 42. Next 88. 88 will come on the 11 table. So 11 8s are 88. 36. 36 will come on the 4 table and the 9 table. So 9 4s are 36. 50. 50 will come on the 10 table and 5 table. 5 10s are 50. Next B1 is multiply by expanding the bigger number. Let me explain now. Multiply by expanding first sum 18 into 5. 18 we can split into 10 plus 8. So 10 into 5 plus 8 into 5. 10 5s are 50, 8 5s are 40. 50 plus 40 is equal to 90. That's the answer. Second sum is 25 into 8. 25 we can split into 20 plus 5. So we can multiply 20 into 8 plus 5 into 8. So 20 into 8 160 plus 8 into 5 40. 160 plus 40 is 200. Fifth sum 56 into 8. 56 we can split into 50 plus 6 multiply by 8. 50 into 8 plus 6 into 8. 50 into 8 400. 6 into 8 48. 400 plus 48 448. Next is 7 into 91. 91 we can split 90 plus 1. 7 into 90 plus 7 into 1. 7 into 90 630 plus 7 into 1 7. So the answer is 637. See some fill in the blanks. That circle is given. We have to fill the circle. We can write it in the book itself. First sum 14 into 20. 20 has a 0, so 0 should come in the ones place number. Then we will multiply 2 into 14, 28. Next, second sum, 10 into 60. 10 60s are 600. 6 is missing here, you can write 6. Third sum, 15 into 40. So, ones place we should put 0. Then 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. 0 and 2 should be carry over. 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So, third sum fill in is 0. Next, fourth one, 30 into 30. 3 3s are 9. 0 0 0. So, 2 columns we filled now. Fifth sum, 123 multiply by 3. Start from ones place. 3 3s are 9. Next, 2 3s are 6. They given 1 3s are 3. Next, sixth sum, 101 into 9. 1 9s are 9. 9 0 0. 9 1s are 9. Seventh sum, 234 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Next, eighth sum, 4 2s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 6 and 1 should be carry over. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Children, in your book page number 42 you have a multiplication table. So you have to thorough with the tables 2 to 9 table thorough. Then only you can do the sums. So every day you have to learn the tables first, then go to the exercise. Children, next topic is multiplication facts. Numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product remains same. So when we are multiplying 8 into 7 or 7 into 8, the answer will be 56. Next fact is, the factor can be grouped in any way. The product remains the same. 5 into 2 into 6. Otherwise, 5 into 2 into 6, when we are multiplying 5, 2s are 10. Then into 6, 60. 5 into 2 into 6, when we are multiplying 2 into 6, 12. 12 into 5, 60. The answer remains same. So when we are changing the order of a number, the answer will be same. Next fact is, when we are multiplying with a 1, we are going to get the same number. 6 into 1, 6. 23 into 1, 23. So remains the same number. Next factor is, when the number is multiplied with a 0, the answer will be 0. 6 into 0, 0. 23 into 0, 0. 578 into 0, 0. That's it. We'll go to the mental max sums now. Mental max sums in page number 43. We can write it in the book itself. First one is 15 into 1, 15. 27 into dash is equal to 27. When we are multiplying 1, we will get a 27. The second sum is 4 into dash into 5 is equal to 0. So when we are multiplying with the 0 only, we will get answer 0. Fourth one is 16 into 1 only, we will get a 16. So the dash will be filled with a 16. Next, fifth one, 1 into dash is equal to 1. When we are multiplying 1 with a 1, 1 ones are 1. Next, sixth question, 0 into 0, always 0. Next is seventh one, 14 into 0 also 0. When we multiply with the 0, we will get answer 0. Next, eighth one, the order of the multiplication will be changed here. Which number is missing, you can check it out. 3 into 4 into 2. So, the right hand side, 2 into 3, which number is missing? 4. Of course, the 4 should be written in the box. Next one is ninth one, 1 into 33. Answer is 33. 10th one is 16 into 0. We'll get the answer 0. 11th one, 15 into 8 is equal to 8 into 15. Next, 12th one, same thing, order. 6 into 5 they given dash. 9 into 6 into dash. So, right hand side 5 is missing. In left hand side 9 is missing. Exercise 3.1 in page number 44. Find the product. We can do it in the book itself. First sum 236 into 4. Start the multiplication from ones place number. Ones place number here 6, 4. 4, 6 are 24. 4 and 2 should be carry over. Next 4, 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 4 and 1 should be carry over. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Second sum 283 multiply by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 and 1 should be carry over. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 1, 41. 4 should be carry over and 1. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Third sum 167 multiply by 8. 8 7s are 56. 6 and 5 should be carry over. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5, 53. 3 and 5 should be carry over. 1 8s are 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Next fourth sum. 8 7s are 56. 6 and 5 should be carry over. 0 into 7, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. Next 3 plus 7, 3 into 7, 21. Similarly, 4 more sums are there. You can do it in the book itself. Exercise 3.2. Multiply horizontally to find the product. We have tried in the book as well as in the CW. So start with the multiplication by horizontal. Multiply by horizontal. First sum 421 into 3. See children, I will put an arrow mark over here. So we have to do the sums likewise. First start from ones place number 1 into 3, 3. Next one is 3 into 2, 6. Next hundreds place 4 into 3, 12. So the answer will be 1263. Next sum, second sum 234 multiply by 4. Start do the multiplication from ones place number onwards. 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. And 1 should be carry over in the tens place. Next 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 and 1 should be carry over in the hundreds place. Next 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer is 936. Third sum 507 multiply by 8. Start with the multiplication from ones place number. 8 7s are 56. 6 and 5 should be carry over. Then 8 0 0. 0 plus 5, 5. Next 8 5s are 40. Fourth sum 610 into 9. 9 0 0. 9 into 1, 9. 9 6 are 54. Fifth sum 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. 5 and 3 should be carry over in the 10th place. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3, 38. 8 and 3 should be carry over in the hundreds place. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 3, 68 and 6, 66. 6 and 6 should be carry over in the thousands place. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Next exercise 3.3 in page number 46. You have tried in the book as well as in the CW. Multiply by expanding the bigger number. Let me explain the sums one by one. The first sum is 152 multiplied by 3. 152 can be expanded 100 plus 50 plus 2. Put the tabular column like this children and write the things. 100 into 3, 300. 50 into 3, 150. 2 into 3, 6. Now you can add the 300 plus 150 plus 6 is equal to 456. Next sum 416 into 4. 416 can be expanded 400 plus 10 plus 6. So put the tabular column and multiply inside. 400 into 4, 1600. 10 into 4, 40. 6 into 4, 24. Now you can add 1600 plus 40 plus 24 is equal to 1664. Fifth sum, 6135 into 4. 6135 can be expanded. 6000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 5. Now put the box and write the number inside. 6000 into 8, 48,000. 100 into 8, 800. 30 into 8, 240. 5 into 8, 40. Now you can add, you can write it in the rough column and add 48,800, 240 and 40. Finally, we will get the answer 49,800. Next is sixth sum. 8,579 multiply by 2. So, it can be expanded 8,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 9. You can put the box and multiply 8,000 into 2, 16,000, 500 into 2, 1,000, 70 into 2, 140, 9 into 2, 18. Now you can write the rough column and do the addition. 16,000 plus 1,000 plus 140 plus 18 is equal to, the answer is 17,158. Seventh sum, 3,678 multiply by 6. It can be expanded 3,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. Now you can put the box and multiply 3,000 into 6, 18,000. 600 into 6, 3,600. 70 into 6, 420. 8 into 6, 40. Now you add 18,000 plus 3,600 plus 420 plus 48 is equal to 22,068. Next, eighth sum, 312 multiply by 7. 312 can be expanded 300 plus 10 plus 2. Now put the box and multiply 300 into 7, 2,100. 10 into 7, 70. 2 into 7, 14. Now you add 2,100 plus 70 plus 14, 2,184. Remaining sums you can do it, children. That's it, children. We completed the exercise 3.3 now. Remaining sums we will exercise we will see it in the next class. Thank you, children. Stay home and stay safe.